Oh wow! Mix it well. The phone is in normal condition right now. There's just a tiny dent on the screen protector, but the screen is perfectly intact. That surprised me. Hey, let me check. That last hit looked pretty rough. The phone's screen is fine, just a slight dent right here. Oh no! Good night, Macapaka. Why is the boss so handsome? Let me see. I'll peel off the screen protector. Looking at all four sides, there are some dings on the edges, but the screen is totally fine. Man, this thing is tough. Let's drop it again. Almost made it, but it's fine, no problem at all. The phone is completely undamaged. The camera is completely undamaged. I really didn't expect this phone to be so fearless of hunting. Let me take a look at whether it's the internal structural design or the outer screen. This thing is seriously top-notch. It's built like a bulletproof vest, layer by layer. From the materials to the structure to the cushioning, it's reinforced inside out. So even after a huge impact, the phone still works perfectly. Dark soy sauce, ketchup, light soy sauce, garlic chili sauce. Smells kind of good, actually, and aged vinegar. Okay, now let's put the phone in. Seal it up and mix everything well. Oh. Then we put it in the dishwasher. I started recording on the phone itself, used another X70 to add some extra lighting, and placed an action camera inside to get a good shot of it going in. Alright, let's start. Okay, let's see how it turned out after the wash. Oh, it's still warm in here. Honestly, the phone isn't too hot to touch. No problem, right? Did it kill the cat or not? The phone is fine too. The screen lights up normally, and the touch controls work perfectly. And the speaker will start the process. It plays a sound, and uses vibrations to push the water out of the speaker port. In other words, the Honor X70 uses the 3rd Gen Qinghai Lake battery with 8,300 milliamp hours, the industry's highest. It supports 80W wired and wireless fast charging. Honor's smart power-saving engine achieves incredibly powerful battery life. We started playing videos on this X70 from 4 p.m. Tuesday, and it didn't run out of power until 2 p.m. Thursday, a full 45 hours. In 33 minutes per episode, we watched Empresses in the Palace from the first episode to episode 61. Even Zhenhuan had returned to the palace from Ganlu Temple. This battery life is honestly outrageous. For many, a phone is a daily survival companion. It must be tough and durable. Aging, water resistance, and battery life, all solid and reliable. These aren't just lab qualities. They're what you experience daily as you use, drop, and test it. When you're charging it or using it, you can really feel it. The Honor X70 not only builds a durability iron triangle for the phone, but it's also very sincere in its other features. Things like NFC, infrared, dual speakers, and dual-band GPS, features that used to be standard only on flagship phones, are all included without any cutbacks at this price point.